Oh, hey there, I didn't see you there. My name is Adam, and welcome to my unfinished workshop. Well guys, as you can see, workshop is looking a bit, what's the word? Unfinished. Yes, absolutely correct. Unfinished. Haven't got a whole terrible much done, but as you guys did see, I did almost trip, but also I did also put my roll cart in the corner there, and I've got some things that I need to do to that roll cart to make it better, and I still have tools I still have tools everywhere, guys, and I'm doing this off camera, and that's why you don't really see a whole bunch of videos coming out week after week, because I don't like filming the same exact thing. That's the annoying part about it, but I'm pushing through and I'm trying to make something happen in the meantime. So, got my little loft right there, terribly underutilized right now, but it works. Doesn't look like it, but it actually works. Again, I'm not a carpenter, but I'm doing my best to try and make this workshop look finished, look nice, just have that nice punch to it. So we're gonna see what happens. So guys, also, boom, got some new tires for the BMW. Feeling pretty good about it. Okay, these are nothing fancy, just some style 44s that's got plastic dip on it. Not the prettiest, not the sexiest things. Got some tires on there. I need to look at the tires and see if they're any good or not. I'm gonna have to replace those, but I know I've got a video that I'm gonna work on that's gonna be coming up of me completely redoing those wheels. And that's a temporary spot, though it kind of makes my shop feel a little more raw. I don't know what the term is, but you know what? I kind of like them there. Even though these 17s are going on the BMW, the 18s will be coming in here for now. I have 5 of them, as you guys can see. I got a spare. I'm gonna use the best 4 out of the 5 and then go from there. So that squares away that. Now, all this open space, guys, that's right here, from the edge of the screen to over here, boy, I really want to put a workbench right here. Like, I really want to put one. But somebody, I can't remember who, I'll try and put it right up here, they suggested a folding workbench. So I'm thinking about building another workbench here. The legs kick out, that can come down, because one of my workbenches clearly is a catch-all. But over here, it can come down and I can work and I can use it and be able to have a whole lot more working space. And that would be pretty awesome, I feel like. But that's not the main part that I want to talk to you about the video. The main part is right back over here. So guys, as we talked about, back here, again, toolbox, I want right here. Now, I'm trying to decide exactly on what toolbox I should go with. I was thinking about a Milwaukee toolbox. Those are really nice. I like that easy shut that they have. It's beautiful. But I'm thinking about price, and if I can get a cheaper box that may not have small little features like that, that makes it just makes it crisp, you know, I can still be able to add other things as well. Now, one of the things I was thinking about was a Husky toolbox. I think it's on sale now at Home Depot for like $2.98, which seems to be a really good deal. It's pretty deep. It may not have that easy shut, and it may not have an internal little power, you know, where I can add different things to charge. But I think for the most part, it's a pretty good deal. Not only that, it seems like since Harbor Freight has switched over to the Series 2 toolbox, the toolbox now is like what, $4.99 now? Where is the toolbox that used to be $3.79 and sometime on sale for even cheaper than that? That toolbox seems to be gone now. Like, the only thing that's at Harbor Freight now seems to be the double bay toolboxes that are only $4.99, and certain times they'll go on sale for $3.99, but for the most part, they're around 500 bucks, which is not bad, but I was really ready to go ahead and buy one of those older Harbor Freight boxes, and then they're doing away with it. But I guess that's just one cheap man thing. For the most part though, Harbor Freight really does have a lower budget, more not the best quality. Then they've got the good, better, best. And this is good if you're gonna use it one time. This is better if you know what you're doing, but you're still not using it a terrible lot. And then you've got the Icon, which is the best, which is also the most expensive. But I mean, it's pretty cool. So anyway, that's just a little sidebar. I'm thinking about definitely gonna do a toolbox here. Just trying to decide what I want to go with. In the comment section below, guys, let me know what you guys think. Is there a certain toolbox that catches your eye that's decently priced? Fastenal toolboxes are not cheap, so those are automatically out of the question. Anyway, let's keep going. In this go round, guys, I'm really trying some different things, some different ideas, how I want to set it up where it's usable space, but also in a way that actually works. So this is what I've been ticking away at, just slowly but surely. Also, the BMW quit working. Like it won't start. I'm thinking it could be a starter, though I've replaced it. I don't know, so I'm gonna have to figure that out as well. But man, you guys are correct about just this workbench being a complete catch-all. Like, look at just everything is thrown here. And I know this because I have a lot of tools, I have a lot of things, and I don't have a toolbox to put in the spot. But in the meantime, good Lord, like I did go to Harbor Freight, grab a couple small things, nothing really worth making a video about because I only spent like 30 bucks. Shout out to Tim Shields, gave me a 25% off coupon on everything. Unfortunately, it just caught me on the time that I was a little low on funds, so I couldn't go really crazy. But I had a good time regardless of that fact. Now, I know what you're saying, guys. You're saying, all right, Adam, you've made this whole video showing that you've made slight, like a 5% improvement to the shop, but you really haven't made an improvement. And that is true. I really just wanted to break the silence and make another video because I enjoy doing it, but also to let you guys know that the plan that I have for this workshop, of course, it's gonna take time, but I can't handle this. I can't handle this level of chaos, though I operate in chaos on a daily level. I want it to be better than this. And also, once I get the shop at least somewhat better, just somewhat better, I want to move forward in learning more about metalwork, metalworking, different things like that. I want to improve on welding because God knows I haven't welded in a while. I mean, that turbo manifold, I did a little bit of welding, but not a whole bunch. It's been quite some time, and I feel like I'm truly getting rusty. So I want to focus on doing some metal work, and that way we can have different kind of projects come out of this shop along with working on the BMW, which I do truly enjoy. And who knows, maybe it's time to build another motor and actually put it on camera. I have no idea, but I do know that everything's going to happen within this workshop. So please be patient with me. And please know that I'm doing my best. So I will catch you guys in the next video. What that's gonna be, you will have to find out because I don't know either. So I'll catch you then. Peace. Oh, you're still here? I got a joke if you are still here at the end of this video. The joke is, did you know that the first French fries were not actually made in France? They were made in Greece? I can't breathe. That's okay, I'll see myself out.